Hey guys, hello and welcome. And today we will learn the house wiring. House wiring, the complete house wiring we will learn, and step by step from your from your utility pole, that from the roadside to your meter board, and from your meter board to your DB, and from your DB to all your homes, and we'll go completely one by one. So there is nothing to worry. And after the completing of this video, I'm pretty sure, I'll guarantee that you will learn how to do electrical wiring. So this is for engineers who are in the project, right, who started their project like residence or commercials. So basically overall everything is almost will be exactly as it is, with a few minor changes. So we will discuss here one by one how you can also do this wiring and diagrams. This is basically people call it a point wiring. And if you are a project engineer or a site engineer, so you must know about all these wirings, right? So how a home wiring is done. So basically normally people come if you are an electrical engineer, they ask you to can ask you and come and ask can you do this wiring, and can you do this home wiring and all. So because of we study a lots of core stuff, we didn't study the basics of house wiring. So today we will discuss about that house wiring, that we have actually two way we can do the house wiring. One is the single phase, that is what phase neutral. Another is the three phase have a three hot wire, that's the RYB, red, yellow, green, red, not green, red, yellow and blue. And then we have a neutral, right? So neutral is the black. So you know the color codes, and now we need to know the wire type of wire we need, and the wire gauge, and then the switches, MCBs and RCBs and ELRBs and RCCBs, and that's what we will talk about. So don't worry, have patience, and we will start one by one. So let's start it. From where to start? Okay, I give some time. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So here it is. See, it's not mentioned actually, but we will do. Okay, somewhere, some other else. Yeah. So let's try to understand this one first. Like as you see, this is our meter, right? This is our meter board, and this is provided by the government of India. And all this, like those who are the power company, who are providing the electricity, maybe your PSUs or Adani Power or DCL, and any other company, that those who are providing the power, they will charge the power, how much you are power consuming, right, based on that. So this is, there is nothing but like the wiring of this meter. I will show you. Like this is a neutral, right? So neutral go like this, and there is one coil like this, and here is one. Okay, and this is go like this. So here is the wiring. We will show you in the next in somewhere it's mentioned. So this is a meter. What it do, it's measure the power you are consuming, that kilowatt per hour, bot unit, BOT units. It's measure your BOT unit. It's in kilowatt hour, kWh, how much kilowatts you are using per hour. Based on that, the charge per kilowatts is 1,000 rupees, I mean 10 rupees, 5 rupees, whatever, based on the your prices vary from state to state, and also your consumption. And nowadays Delhi government also provides